Winter 2021 saw the return of the dreaded COVID-19 virus to Australian shores, and with it another lockdown that has extended for over 3 months and is only now being eased. For those lucky enough to live on the coast of Sydney, the daily show that nature puts on is nothing short of spectacular, providing a welcome distraction from the fear and uncertainty of the pandemic. The nutrient-rich waters of the Pacific Ocean play host to a fascinating array of wildlife, along with hordes of swimmers and surfers. An abundance of birds, fish, and marine mammals call Sydney's coast home. Internationally adored and another of Sydney's marine celebrities is the dolphin. Although there are currently 49 recognised species of dolphin, there is one that brings joy to Sydneysiders on a regular basis. Typically seen in pods of 5 to 20 individuals, Sydney's beautiful beaches are home to hundreds of coast-hugging, surf-loving bottlenose dolphin. One of the largest species of dolphin, bottlenose can measure over 4 metres in some instances and weigh in excess of half a tonne. They are less spectacularly coloured than many of their cousins, comprised of varying, unremarkable grey tones, but, as their name suggests, they do possess a distinctive bottle-shaped snout. They usually live for 45 to 50 years, and are exceptionally intelligent. They boast a myriad of impressive tools and fascinating behaviours. Much like our friend Alex, bottlenose dolphin enjoy upstaging the local surfers at every opportunity, seemingly surfing for the sheer thrill of it. But surfing isn't a dolphin's only source of entertainment. Unlike most animals, dolphins have no true mating season, meaning males will court females and may mate at any time. Dolphins are not monogamous, and females can mate with multiple partners within a 15-minute period. As a result, it's fairly common to catch them in the act when they pay Sydney's beaches a visit. Dolphins are supremely intelligent and have a highly developed cerebellum, which is thought to enable them to use echolocation and move with apparent effortlessness in the 3D world. Sydney's local pods can regularly be seen interacting with other species, most often with the coast's other magnificent marine mammals, namely Alex the seal and their giant relative the humpback whale, as well as us humans. Interspecies relations such as this offer protection from predators and increased hunting efficiency. A dolphin's cerebral cortex is also 40% more complex than that of a human's, and is thought to help them hunt collaboratively. But having a big brain does have its drawbacks. A dolphin's brain is thought to use 20% of their metabolic energy, meaning they need to consume roughly 5% of their body weight in food every single day. Dolphins track their prey through an expert use of echolocation. Releasing up to 1,000 clicks per second, they build a picture of their surroundings as the sounds travel underwater and bounce back to them when they encounter objects. This complex tool reveals the location, size, and shape of their prey. About 2 kilometres from the shores of Sydney, a pod of common dolphin have located a small shoal of bait fish. They are joined by gulls and albatross as they use teamwork to keep the fish at the surface and pick them off one by one. Closer to shore, these bottlenose dolphin use a technique known as fish whacking to hunt for breakfast. The dolphins swim together, cruising up to the fast-moving fish before abruptly coming to a halt, swiping their tails to stun the fish. Disoriented and slow-moving after the impact, the fish become easy pickings at the surface for the dolphin, who don't need a second invitation. Just meters from the shores of Bondi, another remarkable hunt unfolds. A large pod of bottlenose dolphin have located an enormous school of Australian salmon and begin forcing them into the shallows, trapping them against the sand. Dolphin work in unison to successfully pin the salmon against the beach and spend the next hour filling their boots.